Hello dear children, welcome to my channel. Today's video is for class 10th students and I'm taking part 1 of the 3rd chapter, 2 stories about flying. That first part is his first flight. Children, in this video I will give you the theme, summary, message and some important questions with their answers. The author of this chapter is Liam O'Flaherty. He was an Irish novelist and a short story writer. Some of his famous works are The Snipper, The House of Gold, The Informer, and First Flight. Children, before giving you the summary of the lesson and the theme of the lesson, I want to ask you, how did you learn to walk, to talk, to eat, to run, and to do so many things? The answer will be that your parents taught you all that. Children, same is the case with the birds and animals. They teach their young ones to fly or walk and how to eat food. From the title, children, his first flight, you can guess what the story is all about. This chapter talks about a young seagull that is learning to fly. Seagull is a bird that lives near sea. This bird has short legs and white and grey color feathers. Let us talk about the theme of the lesson. This chapter is based on the theme of self-confidence and trust in oneself. It teaches us not to be afraid in any situation and to face fear boldly. The young seagull was afraid of flying, but when he was incited by his mother, he was able to fly and conquer his fear. चिल्ड्रन, ये चैप्टर हमें सिखाता है कि हमें आत्मविश्वास और ट्रस्ट रखना चाहिए अपने ऊपर और हमें किसी भी हालत में डरना नहीं चाहिए. जो इस स्टोरी में जो यंग सीगल है वो उड़ने से डरता है, लेकिन जब उसकी मदर ने उसकी हेल्प की इनडायरेक्टली तो उसने अपना जो फियर है उसको जीत लिया उसने. Let us start with the summary of the lesson. There is a young seagull whose parents want him to fly. उसके पेरेंट्स चाहते हैं कि वो उड़े जैसे उसके ब्रदर्स और सिस्टर्स जो है वो उड़ना सीख गए हैं, लेकिन this young one is hesitant. He's afraid of flying down the ledge. What is ledge, children? Ledge is a narrow horizontal shelf projecting from a cliff. This young one was afraid to fly. Probably he was not that confident of flying down the cliff. He would come to the edge and flap his wings, but could not fly. वो एज तक आता था, लेकिन उसके बाद उसमें इतनी हिम्मत नहीं होती थी, इतना करेज नहीं था, इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था कि वो उसके जो क्लिफ से नीचे वो फ्लाई कर पाए. डाइव करेगा तभी फ्लाई करेगा, बट ही कुड नॉट डू दैट. He would come to the edge and flap his wings, but could not fly. There was huge sea in front of him, and it was such a long way down because he was at the cliff, and under that cliff, down in front of him was the vast sea, the huge sea. समुद्र था उसके सामने. उसे ऊपर से बहुत नीचे आना था और जो सी था वो बहुत बड़ा था उस यंग वन के लिए. इसीलिए वो उड़ान भरने से डर रहा था. He ran back to the little hole under the ledge where he had slept at night. His parents would come to him, making shrilly sounds, scolding and threatening him, because if he would not fly down, he would starve to death. But the young seagull could not muster up the courage to fly. A day passed. 24 घंटे हो गए थे और कोई उसके पास नहीं आया, ना ही उसके पेरेंट्स और ना ही उसके ब्रदर्स और उसकी सिस्टर. जब उसके ब्रदर ने फिश को पकड़ा तो उसके पेरेंट्स ये सब देखकर बहुत खुश हुए. Because that young one, that brother was learning what the parents wanted him to learn. Flying and hunting, catching fish, everything. It was morning time now. The sun was rising. Its rays fell on the cliff. The young one had not eaten anything since the previous night. He came to the brink, to the edge, and pretended to be falling asleep. Still, no one came to him. He could see his parents and brothers and sister lying on the plateau. His mother looked at him. Mother was eating a fish. उसकी जो mother थी वो fish खा रही थी. She was having food, it means. But the young one had not eaten anything since the previous night. The young seagull felt hungry, seeing her mother eating. He cried, he screamed, begging her to give him some food. उसकी मदर फिश का एक टुकड़ा लेकर क्लिफ के पास आती है. वो सीगल जो है, जो यंग वन है, वो एक्साइटेडली आगे की तरफ आता है क्योंकि वो बहुत भूखा था. मदर क्लिफ पर आई, लेकिन वो क्लिफ से थोड़ा दूर रुक गई बिकॉज शी वॉन्टेड दैट यंग वन टू fly. This was a way of teaching that young one to fly down. This is a way children parents normally do this. Sometimes they take risk if the child is not that confident. They wanted to teach the child whatever they wanted, what the child has to learn to survive. वो young one जो है, जो seagull है, वो हैरान था कि उसकी मदर उसके पास क्यों नहीं आ रही है. As he was too hungry, he almost dived to take that piece of fish, that meat. What happened then? He fell down. He gave a loud scream. वो जोर से चिल्लाया क्योंकि उसको बहुत डर लग रहा था और उसको लग रहा था कि वो फेंट हो जाएगा. But that fear went away within a minute. He flapped his wings and started to fly. वो जो उसका डर था वो थोड़ी देर में निकल गया. जैसे ही वो क्लिफ से नीचे गिरा, he started flying. He soared upwards. Both the mother and father and the young ones, that means his brothers and sisters, they were very happy. वो भूल गया कि उसको कभी उड़ना नहीं आता था. Now he was flying. He dived and soared high. He took a curve, shrieking loudly. He was near the sea now. उसके सामने जो है एक huge sea था, बहुत विशाल समुद्र था उसके सामने. He was too happy now as he had learned to fly. His parents and siblings were there in the sea now. They called him to be with them. The young one dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. Children, why the author has used this word green sea? Green sea because of underwater vegetation. उसका कलर जो है वो ग्रीन लग रहा था उसकी वजह से. He screamed with fear. The young one, the young seagull screamed with fear. He tried to fly out but could not. Now, because he was hungry and he had no energy left now, because he was afraid of water that time. But children, what happened? His feet sank and his belly touched the water. He saw that he was floating now. He learned how to fly and now he was learning how to float on water. His family came closer to him. और वो सब बहुत खुश थे. The young seagull had made his first flight. इस चैप्टर से चिल्ड्रन हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा. ये चैप्टर हमें क्या मैसेज दे रहा है? The message we learned from this lesson is we must overcome our fears. We need to be confident and have faith in ourselves. Children, there is a chapter in class 12th book that is Deep Water. There the author says all we have to fear is fear itself. Fear itself means we should not be afraid of anything. Now children, we come to the question answers. Here are some important questions. First is, why was the young seagull afraid to fly? The young seagull was afraid to fly because he was not that confident like his brothers and sister. He could see the great expanse of sea in front of him, and he felt certain that his wings would never support him when he would try to fly. So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. Second question is, what did the young seagull's siblings do while he was there on the cliff? The young seagull siblings were learning the art of flight, skimming through water and diving for the fish, means to hunt, to catch the food. Third question is, the sight of the food maddened him. What does this suggest? The young seagull was there at the cliff for almost one day without food. More than 24 hours had passed, but no one came to him. And he was very hungry. When he saw his mother eating fish, he begged his mother to give him some food. The mother came closer to him near the cliff with a piece of fish in her beak. But she stopped there. This sight, children, made him mad as he was very hungry to eat something. He wanted to eat something. Then he almost dived at the fish, but he could not reach his mother and he fell down. Next question is, when did the seagull get over his fear of flying over the sea? The seagull was afraid of flying when he looked at the vast expanse of sea. जब उसने देखा कि उसके सामने इतना बड़ा सी है, उसको डर लग रहा था कि वो सी के अंदर गिर जाएगा. He thought that he would drown. The family also felt that it needed to fly, so they decided to teach him a lesson. उन्होंने क्या किया, children? They left him on the cliff and they all flew away. Mother, father, and brother, sister, they all were flying, enjoying their food. The mother held a piece of fish in its beak and kept tempting this young seagull to fly. She came closer to the cliff with a piece of fish in her beak. But she stopped. She did not go closer to the child, to her child, that young seagull, to feed him that piece of fish. The seagull was very hungry. He had not eaten anything for a day, and hunger maddened him, and he died. But he could not reach that piece of fish. He screamed with fear. His wings finally supported him. Initially, he was afraid that his wings would not support him, कि वो अपने पंख जो है वो नहीं फैला पाएगा. लेकिन जब वो क्लिफ से नीचे गिरा, अल्टीमेटली अचानक से क्या हुआ कि उसके विंग्स जो है वो अपने आप ही हवा में फड़फड़ाने लगे और वो उड़ने लगा. Finally, he was floating in the air and his fear of flying was over. Now we come to the last question. What difference do you notice in the behavior of the young seagull in the very beginning and at the end of the story? Children, in the beginning, we find this young seagull very afraid of flying. He thought that his wings would never support him when he would dive down. And he was afraid of the sea. उसको लग रहा था कि वो उस जो इतना बड़ा समुद्र है वो उसके अंदर डूब जाएगा जैसे ही वो क्लिफ से नीचे आएगा. तो लेकिन चैप्टर के लास्ट में क्या हुआ चिल्ड्रन? जैसे ही उसके मदर जो है वो क्लिफ के पास आई, लेकिन वो फिश का जो टुकड़ा लेकर अपनी बीक के अंदर वो क्लिफ के पास ही रुक गई. शी स्टॉप्ड फ्लाइंग देयर एंड दिस यंग सीगल वाज वेरी हंग्री. He was almost mad with hunger and he tried to dive down at the mother to have that piece of fish. But he could not reach her and he fell down. This children made him little confident because हमारे साथ भी ऐसा होता है. जब हम किसी डेंजर में होते हैं तो क्या होता है चिल्ड्रन? हम उस सिचुएशन को बहुत आसानी से झेल जाते हैं. बस वो हमारा मोमेंटरी फियर होता है. ऐसे ही इसके साथ है, सीगल के साथ. वो सिर्फ डर रहा था, लेकिन जैसे ही वो नीचे गिरा, he started flying. His wings started supporting him. वो उड़ने लगा. उसको फील ही नहीं हो रहा था कि वो पहली बार उड़ रहा है. उसको लग रहा था कि जैसे उसको फ्लाइंग आती है. इस तरीके से चिल्ड्रन हमने नोटिस किया. He was very happy and now he was flying with his brothers and sister. When they called him down, when they all were there on the water, they all were skimming on the water. They called the young one also and he went down That time also he was little afraid. His legs sank into water. He screamed with fear and he attempted to fly again. But he was tired and weak because of hunger and he could not fly. His feet sank into that water, into the green sea, and then his belly touched it. And he sank no further, means he started skimming or floating on water, on sea. He was able to make his first flight. Children, I hope this chapter is clear to you. अगर आपकी कोई query है, कोई question है, तो comment box में लिखिए. I would be happy to answer that. Stay tuned for more videos on different topics. इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर करिए. Thanks for watching.